Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I think I've completed all that I wanted for this traveler's notebook. So I laminated some scrapbook paper, and I have one pocket which is in the front on the inside flap, and as you can see there's 4 strands in this traveler's notebook. I also added a jump ring at the top of the notebook. I added some beads to her band, and that's her cover. And I made her this little charm for her notebook, and it has red, which is her favorite color. And you take that. I'm not going to clip it on here now because I'm going to load the traveler's notebook, but you clip it on right here onto the jump ring. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to load our notebooks. Oh, so this is the notebook that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and I just covered it with the butterfly scrapbook paper, which is the same as the pocket. And this one I want to put at the back side of the notebook. And then I made an extra notebook, actually, just some printer paper, and stapled it in the middle. So what I'm going to do is put this into the notebook, and it's going to go right in front of the lined notebook that I picked up from Dollar Tree. It'll be the second notebook. So I'll go right there, and then I laminated another piece of scrapbook paper, and this one is not double-sided, so the inside is white, but I did put the sticky notes on here, and I used my adhesive from Walmart, and that will hold it in, but you can also still remove it because of the lamination. This is just the to-do list from KSP by Louisa. It was one of my winnings, so I just took a few pages and shared it with my swap partner. So now this will go between the blank paper and the Dollar Tree notebook. And it's kind of tricky, but take your time, it'll slide right in. There you go. And then the last one, which is actually the first thing I made, is my calendar. So it's a blank when you open it, and then you'll have the month on 2 pages. And I have here 12 months. So it's good for 1 year. And then she could use it, or she could use, you know, whatever she owns. So this will go at the very front of my traveler's notebook. Okay. And it goes in nice, real nice. All right. There you have it. Little traveler's notebook. I took scrapbook paper, cut it to the size that I wanted, and then this paper was also not double-sided, so I used another sheet of scrapbook paper. So I put 2 pieces of paper together, and I just glued it. Okay, and then the laminating to create the pocket. See, there's a pocket right here, right there, and they're on both sides. So here we have the paper clip. It's hard to hold it and show you at the same time. So there. Okay, so you see the little lamination pocket right there. Same thing as the page marker. This is the dashboard. I also put pockets in this one. Same thing. Laminating scrap is in there. You could see right there. So on the inside, that's the scrap piece that I put facing up. So it laminated itself, and that's what makes your pocket. Okay. All right. So it's on both sides. I put pockets on both sides. So the next thing we want to talk about is the pen holder on my, this is supposed to be a dashboard. That's what it's supposed to be. take a piece of ribbon, you take a binder clip, all right, and then you just glue your ribbon to the pin, and that secures your pen loop. Insert your pen between the clip and the ribbon, and it goes in just like that, and it holds it. It's not coming out, okay? And you have to make sure you use like a elastic ribbon. All right, and then to attach it, you just clip it right onto the dashboard or anywhere in your TN. And I'm gonna put this one in here. And you see how that stays right there? See your pen? Very nice. And the next thing we did was, okay, so my Tuesday morning haul, this is what I got. The magnetic butterfly book page marker. You just stick that onto that right there. And then I made some paper clips. So this is a little cutout that I received from KSP by Louisa here on YouTube. This was part of my winnings from her subbies giveaway. So I just took the paper, put the paper clip the length of the paper, and then I hot glued it up here on the top and just covered it with a punch out half circle. Okay, and that works awesome, just right in here. You see that? Perfect. All right, even more. So here's another cutout, die cut, I don't know what it's called. Anyway, this is also from Louisa, and I did the same thing, added that. And this is from my friend Kat, Lolly Thimble here on YouTube. So I did the same thing with that. So I give her the little butterfly. All right. And it's super cute, guys. I mean, I love it. Look at that. I load some little stickers for my swap buddy. So I'm just gonna take a few of those and stick them in here in my pocket. Nice like that. All right, and then I'm just putting a little cutout on the top right here on the pocket front, and another butterfly. So I had made this little envelope a while back on one of my videos. It was just making some stuff for like getting ready for pen pal stuff, right? And lo and behold, I had a butterfly on this one, and it says, I love the little things. And I put a little bling on the butterfly. And this little paper clip is the shape of a heart, which I did myself. It's on YouTube somewhere. I just pulled it up on YouTube, and it makes a little heart paper clip. Okay, and that I'm sticking back here, and it's just attached directly to my TN. And I made her a washi sample thing, but I just double-sided this paper because it's only single-sided print. I've only got one type of washi so far. And this one is from Dollar Tree. And it says, hello, beautiful. I think we've all seen this. Oh, and it has the little bloom florals. It's so pretty. Okay. All right. So look at that. And I will add this to the dashboard. So when I went to Tuesday morning, I was really trying to find her some graphic 45 scrapbook paper so I could use it, but guys, it just didn't work out. Like I said, my previous video, the graphic 45 just wasn't in my Tuesday morning. They didn't have graphic 45. It was just not the style that she liked. It wasn't red. It didn't have butterflies. I don't know. You guys tell me how your Tuesday morning is, because the one I went to, it was so disappointing. It was trash. Like, Like it seriously, it reminded me of Dollar Tree, one of the Dollar Trees that I that I visit frequently. Okay, there we go. That's much better. So I'm gonna take my, maybe I'll put this one on this side, yeah. Yeah, there you go. And this, I love this paper clip. This paper clip is from Dollar Tree also. You find some really cute things in Dollar Tree. I don't know. And then I'll take my little die cut and put that there. Okay. And for this bookmark, we can put him in the little notebook. And that'll be it for the Traveler's Notebook. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I do have a few goodies here. Oh, wait, let me just show you this. Okay, so I used the envelope punch to create this little envelope, and I put some die cuts in there also for her, where it has some butterflies and stuff like that. I also got the notebook from Tuesday Morning, and I'm gonna add that to her goodies. It's so pretty. And I'm also gonna include this die cut. It's a butterfly. It was just perfect. I was like, perfect. Butterfly, purple. I mean, purple's my color, but it cuts and embosses. So this will all go. And also these planner stickers from Dollar Tree. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna wrap it up and put them in the envelope. I also took the envelope, added some scrapbook paper onto the front, and I will write the address on here and ship this out. And thank you all for joining me, and I hope you all enjoyed my video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and join my little family. And I hope to see you all on the next video. Thanks again, guys. Bye.